Hello there guys, and welcome to the review of the HFC HG-123 gas powered pistol. So, if you take a look at the box here, you can see that it is based on the M1911, which has been in service for over 100 years now. Well, it hasn't been in service, it was up in service until 1985 I believe, and you know, it's still used today and is still renowned as one of the best pistols of all time. So, comes with this nice manual here, just showing you how to load gas, put your BBs in, and a few safety warnings on the back. Then inside the box itself, you have a small bag of 6mm .12 gram BBs. Pretty decent quality, so you can get away with using them. Then you have the gun itself. This will be held down in the box by a small cable tie, which you'll just have to use a pair of scissors or a knife and cut that off. So here's the gun, very decent looking handgun here. Clocks in at around 280 FPS, sorry, just had to look at my statistics there. 280 FPS with a range, you're looking at anywhere between 35 to 50 meters with this, depending on wind conditions. Very nice gun. Feels a good weight. Construction wise is also very nice. It is made of entirely ABS plastic, well, mainly ABS plastic. All the blue bits and these black bits here are all ABS plastic, but the trigger and the hammer along with the safety are a nice metal. But even though it is made of plastic, it's a very solid sort of feel. Not shaky, nothing wrong with that. It's not going to break in your hands. So very decent. Also, just a quick note to mention, this piece here isn't true metal. This is just sort of a piece of foil that's been stuck on over here. It's not metal, which is a bit disappointing, but it gives it that really nice feel. And if it decreases the price to the sort of price that this gun is, you can't complain at all. Okay, now this does have a safety on it, working safety right here. So when it's down, that is fire, easily fireable. Flick that up so it's inside the top slide. That's going to block the trigger, and that's also going to block the hammer from coming down. So you cannot shoot once it's in the upright position. Now reloading and refilling with gas. Let's go over this. So it does have the magazine release right here, but you're not going to be pressing that because that's a dummy magazine release. What you're actually going to be doing is taking the magazine lip at the bottom, if you can see that, that's a slight overhang, and you're just going to use your finger and just pull that out like so. Then you're going to go ahead and grab the spring at the top, pull that down to the bottom, that's automatically going to lock in place. Take your 6mm BBs, you're going to hold down this small metal piece at the back here, just hold that down with your thumb. Take your BBs in a pouring pot, or preferably a speed loader, and just pop them in like so. Try not to throw them all over the floor either. Just pop them away there. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll just release the little piece of metal at the back, and you'll see that the magazine is fully loaded. Just move these out of the way. There we go. And so once you've done that, there's no need to release the spring, even though you can. You're just going to have to pop that back in the gun, give it a short, swift push up into the weapon. That's going to automatically release the spring and load the chamber, so then you're ready to pop in your gas. Take your gas bottle, take the gun upside down, gas upside down, pop in like so. Very easy. You'll have to give it a bit longer to fully fill this up with gas. And once you've fully filled it up, you can probably get through between 2 to 4 magazines worth of BBs on one single refill of gas, so it's pretty good. So finishing up, very decent gun. Does have a few metal parts, but it's mainly this ABS plastic. But it's a brilliant build quality. Not shaky at all. Very nice working safety as well. Just like the real steel. I quite like this because it's basic. It doesn't have any rails or flashlights or any other sort of gubbins on it. It's just simple, gas pistol, you know, very, very nice. So if you're interested in this, the .12 gram or the .2 gram BBs, any gas, kick-ass gas, so we've got 750 milliliter and 200 milliliter bottles available on the website, so check them out. You can also find assault vests, holsters, ghillie suits, all that sort of stuff. So make sure you head on over there. I've been Steve, and I'll see you guys next time.